Hey, it's me, Zino the Computer Enthusiastic, and today we are going to learn how to use Google Docs. It's a simple one. You just have to write the text and then you will export a text file, or it will be online. Anyways, so maybe it's complicated for some of you guys. That's why I'm here to make it coming up. So here we got the browser, and it's Google Chrome, and this is Google Docs. How to go to Google Docs? There is 3 ways to go there. There is actually 2 ways. Firstly, you have to go to apps. Here, just click apps, and then you will find it like this. Here, it's called Docs. Let me repeat. You click apps, and then it will be shown here saying Docs. And there's many other one like Sheets and whatever. And anyways, today we are going to see Google Docs. Anyways, this is Google Docs, and now this is the surface of the Google Docs. And as you can see, this is the templates up here. And if you want to see more, click that 2 arrows up there. And you can see how many they got. They has many templates, and pick the one that fits to you. Depends on what you are writing on. They give you the title to give you an idea before you start writing. For example, meeting notes. So if you are going to do a meeting, this is the best template for you, like they say. And if you are that kind of persons who like to be creative, you can just go for a blank one and make it from 0 to from 0 to the end. And honestly, I'm kinda lazy, so I will pick one of these. Let's say we are picking meeting notes. So you just click on it, and this circle shows up. Means it will shows up. And I'm gonna tell you what's the relation between the Google Docs and Google Drive, and yeah, it's kinda so important. Anyways, that's your first doc you are writing maybe. So as you can see, it's just a text, and you don't have to just stick with text only. You can also add images. So font size, you can just type it with your keyboard here. You can type any number you want. That's the pixel size. It gives you the size of the text, and look how small it is. We are going to enlarge it to 60 maybe, and that's how is it. And yeah, so basically font size will just make the font bigger or smaller. And if you are not good with those, you can pick this one. This also a text template. It gives you which type of text you are trying to make. So we got here of the template special writing. The subtitle is red, and yeah, like you see, this is the red subtitle, and the title should be big and bold, and that's why you can see it will make the work easy for you. If you are a writer and you make documents, that's the best choice for you. Anyways, we are going to stick to the title. And there's something else. So we got here the font. The font is how stylish your text is. So for example, this looks good for a wedding letter or something like that, and I don't really know about it. And impact, which is yeah, it looks serious and stylish, and it's your style. You can find the one that fits to you. This one is also good. You can pick this one. It's stylish and I like it. I really like it, and I basically choose this one always. Alright, so this is the zoom. What the zoom does, it just give you the ability to see the full paper if you want, and if you got a good eyes. me actually don't have a good eye, so I have to zoom in and scroll down and up, so it takes time, but I can see better. But for you, if you got a good vision, you can stick to this one, and maybe you will know what you are doing. And basically this is the best. 75% is the best choice for me and you, so yeah, I suggest that. And also you can color the text you are making, like I'm making that red, and yeah, you can make it also blue, and that's amazing one. Okay, and this is underline, so you can underline whatever you want. That's kinda so simple one. And italic, it's kinda, it goes italic. It doesn't look normal, and the point from here is you make this text give the attention. Why it's like that? So yeah, the person who's reading will get the attention. And yeah, of course, bold has the difference. This is bold, and when we do this, it's bold and it's clear and every eye can see it mostly. And there's also this, the right line and the left line and the center line. So for titles, the center line is the best, and the right line, it should be for those who are writing another language like Arabic. The Arabic starts from the right line. This is something to keep in mind, because I already know about it. And there's add ones. There's many you can add to your Google Docs. It will make the work easier for you. That's the role of that one. And yeah, it's so easy. And let's say that you just made your Google Docs, and here it says all changes saved in Drive. So you wonder what Drive is. I'm not looking for Google Drive, I'm looking for Google Docs and to save my Google Docs. So yeah, this is a point to take. So this is a Google, this is a Google Docs, and this is Google Drive. You can just type in Google Drive and you will find it. Anyway, so I reloaded this after I made my meeting notes, like we said. So yeah, you can also rename this one here. Let's do it a test. So yeah, we just named it a test. We go back to Google Drive, and that's what we will find. Yeah, that's what we named. We named it test, so we will know that this is what we meant. And that's it. You just saved that in Google Drive, and it will make the work savable for you. So let's say that you are writing and there was an electricity shortage, so you will not lose what you are writing. It will go to Google Drive like you see here. You can also make folders, and yeah, that's the role of Google Drive. It can give you a virtual desktop like we have a desktop here, and yeah, that's the role of that Google Drive. You can also use it to share the files between you and your friends, and maybe we will make a video about it. Just let me know in the comment section. And I think that's all for today's tutorial in Google Docs. There's many other one like Google Sheets and Google Forms and so on. and there's many other Google products. I would show it to you. And also I'm interested in the Windows 10 topics, so make sure you just check it out in my channel or ask me about it. You can also join my Discord server to make sure you just connect with me, because I'm very connected to that one. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you enjoyed the video of today.